Jeff, is this your new school? What is this? Crazy monster school. What was that? Jeff, what was that sound? What was going on here? Did I hear? It's my new monster. Oh, no. You just break this and just walk out and be completely fine. I hope you realize. Ah! Oh, no, it's a bad thing. Why would you do that? I was just kidding. So, this is Cyclops. Oh, looks like Cyclops got really skinny. Awesome. Okay, so, yeah. I left him locked up for too long. Oh, wow. That's pretty dark. Okay, all right. Welcome to the day of Daycare. Yo, I'm excited, man. Today's a crazy day, bro. It's been a crazy day. I took a private jet to another part of Florida. I went to Orlando. And then, guess what? I went to this cool, apartment and stuff. It was a crazy time. And then in the morning, guess what I did? So I tried to fly back. I tried to fly back to Miami because it's where I live. And then guess what? Dude, we missed the flight by 2 minutes. And then I had to take a car and drive 4 hours. All the way back home, man. And it's been a crazy adventure. Okay, now let's go to the daycare. What? Sorry. Sorry, I got a burping problem. You guys already know this. All right, so what's going on over here, man? Jeff! Hey, buddy! Jeff! Hunt! Wait, what's going on here? Wait, why are there iron bars on the walls? No! Oh, give me 20! Oh, she's getting sassy. Okay, Jeff, what's going on over there? Hey! Jeff! Oh, that's not a thing. Okay, ow! Chill, bro. Let me in! This is starter! What is going on? Jeff, can you let me in, bro? I don't know if I want to even be in here, man. This guy's sketchy, dude. Wanna come to jail? Okay. All right, let's go. It's adventure. Jeff, what is going on? You ate the... Help me. Get down. What do you mean get down? Hold on, whoa. Jeff. Bro, this is daycare. Dude, what? Hey, Jeff. This is daycare, bro. You gotta explain what you're doing, man. Down. I'm not a dog. I'm not gonna go down. I'm not gonna. No! Oh, look at you, Jeff. I hope you know that if you kill me, I'm gonna spawn outside the place. And then, I'll leave. Yeah! Aw, man. I have to do this! Why are you, Skylar, what are you doing? Skylar, are you really doing push-ups right now? Good job! No, why am I getting down? Jeff, I'm not gonna do push-ups, man. I got arrested. You got arrested for what? Oh, guys, it's gonna be like one of those kind of things. Be like, oh my god, my girlfriend got arrested by a potato. It's Jeff. What'd you? Oh, Jeff, what are you wearing? Jeff, what are you? Okay, you two, you guys gotta stop pranking me, man. It ain't April Fool's anymore, bro. You heard me the first time. Ow, Jeff, stop. Seriously, it's annoying. It's really annoying when you do that. Oh my god, it's gotta stop, bro. No chill, dude. Then get down. Jeff, you can't take me to prison for no reason. What am I in prison for? Huh? What? Dude, he'll arrest you too. Okay, first of all, you can't arrest me for no reason at all, bro. What is this, man? America? You're being annoying. Arrested. Ah, chill. You can't arrest me for that. And why did you get arrested? You broke into a prison. No, I walked into a prison because this dude asked me to walk into a prison. Now, what did you do, Skylar? Exactly, you broke in. I'm the judge. Jeff, you can't be both things. You can't be the judge and the prison guard. Come on, Skylar. You gotta tell me what you did. I'm everything. Jeff, I don't think you know what you're ever talking about, man. All right, I stole some stuff. What'd you steal? More money. Wait, you stole money? Don't you already have enough of it? Why do you need more money? I don't get this. I don't get this person. I feel like she just wants attention, bro. I may have robbed a bank. Why would you rob a bank? You got billions of dollars. And you have a music career. You like the next, Lucina. I don't know. Never mind. This is how I have all the money. Wait, so you get your money from robbing a bank, not from music? It doesn't make any sense. You said you were a musician. I'm a failed singer, okay? All right, relax. Typical. This guy's a savage. Hashtag Savage Jeff. So, you are a failed singer, so you have to rob banks to get money, and you tell me that you got arrested because of Jeff, but you were the one that was giving Jeff money to fund the daycare. So pretty much Jeff is arresting you, and he can't fund the daycare the next time he gets blown up by like TNT or like some natural disaster thing. Yeah. All right, you guys have made me lose all my brain cells. He took the money too. I'm gonna walk away. I'm just gonna do one of these. Ow! Hey! Hey! You have stay, bang, stay. Brain cells are fun. No! Take me. No. If you're not a singer, then we can't even like talk to each other, bro. Listen, man, listen, bro. Mosina, la 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 la. Mosina, Schmosina, Skylina, Skylar, Jeffina. Same old stuff, man. You guys are all crazy. I'm out of here, bro. I feel like I'm the only normal one. Drink Moose book. Hey! Stay! Don't take me back to my cell. You know what? I kind of feel bad, man. I kind of feel bad. You know what? Let's just sneak in here. Wow, that was actually really... Nope. Nope. I need a hero. Skylar, ain't no one gonna save you, bro. You robbed the bank. You pay the time. But you pay the time. You do the crime. You pay the time. I think. Is that how you get the point. Save me! I'm not gonna save you, Skylar. Well, hold on. Actually, give me a second. Every criminal has to have some kind of a backup. Mosina, if I save you, what are you gonna give me? I'm stuck in this cell. What am I gonna get as a reward if I save you? More money! I don't want money. I want my golden rate back. That's right. You still have my car, and I want it back. Your car's back? Yes! Give me my cards back, and then I'm down. All right? Fine. Awesome. Yay! Oh, there's two glasses. Oh, you didn't see me. I'm like stealthy. Where you at? I'm nowhere. Snap. Yo, look at me, man. Look at me. Second floor of the cell. Wait, what? Wait. These guys, man. That was pretty good. Awesome. So, let's go. Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm on the first floor still. Help me, Moose. Can you not be annoying, Skylar? Moosina. I'm not Moosina. I'm Moose, bro. All right, listen, man. I'm not Moosina. I'm just the Moose. Moosette. I'm not Moosette either, bro. How did you get over there? Wait, Jeff was outside with me. How did you even end up in there? I don't understand you. Get in here, Moose. I'm not gonna help you with anything possible, okay? Listen, man, I'm not interested, but you gotta tell me where the cars are at first, and I'll save you. All right? How about that? If you tell me where the cars are at, I'll let you out of prison. Sounds good. Don't listen to him, Skylord. Wait. Jeff, you realize that I'm not on your side, right? You know, she's on my side. Come on, let's go. Come here. Come into the cell. It's over here. Oh, it's a book. What does it say? I've been here for a few days now, but I think I have an escape plan. I need some spoons to carve a small tunnel out of this place. I need to cover my escape hole with a nice poster. Yep. Yeah. Can you let me out? I don't belong here. And I knew she was gonna pull something crazy like this, where she like locks me into a prison cell so I can't escape, and then she can have me all to herself, but I don't want any part of that, so I'm just gonna walk away. Have fun together! Don't read my diary! You know you're crazy, right? I hope you realize you are 100% crazy. I despise you. That's a secret! I helped you out, and you locked us inside the prison. What? Did you read all of it? That's not the point! You know what? I don't care about the diary. Flush this thing. Come on. Hey, give it back. These people over here. Here, Moose. Ow! Hey! Stop it. I don't want this. No. Get out of here. What is it? Moose. What's up, buddy? What's wrong? What's that? Oh, thanks, man. What's this for? What is this? Hi. Your uniform for prison. Hey, you gave me a uniform for prison. Now we're stuck here because of you. You know what? If I was a smart person, I'd find a way. I'd find a really good way to get out of here that doesn't include you at all, okay? For example, by carving this thing with a spoon. Oh! This is all me. I'm not taking any credit. All right, awesome. Yay! Ah! Oh, there's just in here. Oh, look at this, man. Look at all this stuff. Hey, this is pretty cute. Awesome. All right. Okay. Is it safe down there? Nope. There's a giant monster in here and he's going to eat me. So, you can stay up there. I'll just do this by myself. Don't worry about it. Yeah. I don't want Jeff to see us gone. Oh, perfect. Then just stay up there. Just say that Moose has to poop or something. I don't know. Just make something up, bro. All right. I told you not to come down here and you do it anyways. It's like people don't listen anymore. I fail. No, you didn't fall. It's like the same thing as saying, oh, Moose, I actually locked you in here. You are some type of person. Hello? Is there anyone out there? Hold on. I have an idea on how to communicate with people. Hello? Is there anyone? Hello? Hello? Where'd you go? He'd definitely hear us. No, bro, he would never hear us, man. Are you kidding me? Like me screaming that loud and echoing through the whole entire ground? How could he ever hear us? Let's go. That was so loud. Moose, you escape? I have no idea what he's talking about, but let's just not listen to him. Look, a manhole. Ah! Come here. What is going on here? I don't. Okay, perfecto. Just cover this all up. Awesome. And now she can never, ever get out of here. Perfect. Oh, no. Yeah. Why did you need my help? You could have done this yourself, couldn't you? You could just ate through the wall or something. We made it. No. I made it. You followed me. Just saying. Musino, return right now. Why would I go back to prison? Like, that doesn't make any sense at all. I wanted to come with you. Nope. I'm gonna be on my own. I'm gonna go find my own escape plan. He's looking for us. We have to run. No. We don't have to run. I'm just gonna be on my way. I'm gonna go to the roof all by myself without your help. All right? I don't need your help at all. I'm gonna make my own, like, escape plan. I'm gonna go live up on the roof forever. I'm gonna go hunt for my own food using, like, fishing poles and stuff. And this is why we can't have nice things. This is exactly why we can't have nice things. Awesome. All right. There we go. Perfect. And this will be my new house. And I'm going to call this house the land of... How'd you get here? How'd you... Say... Hi. Tell me where he is, Skylord. Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. Never. I don't want this, I don't want that, I don't want this, and I'll be on my way! Ha! Big fist! Let's go! I still didn't tell where his cars are! Wait, hold on, whoa, where's my cars at? You didn't tell me. Wait. I'll give you money! Where's my cars at? I want my cars back, so I never have to talk to you again! That's right. I mean, I want my cars back so I can take you out on a date or something. They're mine! Oh, that's your fault. You're missing out. That's your fault. You know, I mean, I'll just listen. No cars. That means I can't ever see you again. That's completely fine with me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you all did enjoy. Subscribe. Wait. I got it with the old outro trick. Subscribe to the bell. Tacos. Hey, wait. Found you. We can talk about this. No. We can't talk about this. You give me my... Ow! Oh, I'm Jeff's here. We gotta go. Okay, well, he found us. Well, of course he found us. He's shooting arrows at me. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Subscribe and set the bell. I gotta get out of here before Jeff catches me and puts me back in prison. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a brand new video. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Come back tomorrow. Bye.